NX interface will appear. Click on new, then select a particular models. But if you are doing the first time, then you should adjust the unit. So for mechanical designing we are taking and the models means here several things is a model, assembly, sheet metals. So you select the models. You can rename your models, otherwise by default it will take 1 2 3 models. Click on OK, and now we will work on the extrude. So click on the extrude. One dialog box will be opens. Then in the top just you click on the sketch symbols. Then this interface will appear. Select the face and then click on the OK. So now a sketch, the interface is ready for the sketch. Select any sketch tools. Here I am selecting the, you can see here I am selecting a rectangular box, just and you may give the particular dimensions, otherwise by scrolling if dimension is satisfactory then click on OK. After clicking on OK, again we have to click on finish. So once we will finish, it will automatically just jump to the another sections, that is the extrude. And now in extrude sections, the third axis, either the height or thickness we will give here, and click on the OK. So now this is our rectangular box from 2D sketch to 3D models is ready. By pressing on the middle or scroll buttons of the mouse, we can rotate and see these ones.